ng Discover magazine noong August 2002 ay nagtanong, what's really at the center of the earth? Ayon po sa ating pinag-aralan, alam po natin kung ano talaga ang nasa gitna ng daigdig. Jesus told us, there is a lake of fire with millions of people burning, weeping, screaming, wailing, and gnashing of teeth. Sa isa pong kilalang newspaper sa Finland, ay nag-appear po ito. Ang sabi po ng isang scientist named Dr. Asakov, as a communist, I don't believe in heaven or the Bible. But as a scientist, I now believe in hell. Needless to say, we were shocked to make such a discovery. But we know that we saw and we know what we heard. And we are absolutely convinced that we drilled through the gates of hell. Ang kwento po niya, nung nagdidrill o nagbabarena po sila ng lupa, bigla po itong umikot ng sobrang bilis. Ang ibig sabihin, mayroon po silang nahukay o naabot na empty space o parang butas ng kuweba. Yun pong pangkuha nila ng temperature ay sumobra ang increase ng init to 2,000 degrees